Hi all! This is the third part of a 4 parts video. In this third part, I'll show you how to generate an invoice for a finished job from the mobile Kickserv app. The final step when finishing a job is to generate the invoice for your customer. To generate it, go inside the job already marked as complete and click in Generate Invoice just below Charges. In here, it already says View Invoice because I already click on it. But it's the same, just click on it and then select View Invoice. Then in here, I can add more charges, take the payment by credit card, by cash, or by any other form. I can add any notes and terms and collect a signature if you want and see a preview of the invoice. For example, I'm gonna collect a signature here. I'm gonna save it. Here we'll have the signature. And I'm gonna click on view to see a preview of the invoice. Here we have it. The charges and the signature. If the customer is not paying right away, just send them the invoice. I click on send and confirm. Well, for watching the final part of this demo and learn how to accept a credit card payment using a mobile device, click on the link in the description of the video.